Creating a GitHub account allows you to collaborate on projects, contribute to open source software, and showcase your coding skills. Here's a guide. Visit GitHub, open your web browser and go to the GitHub website. Sign up. On the GitHub homepage, click the Sign Up button at the top right corner. Provide information. Fill in your username, email address, and a strong password. Your username will be part of your profile's URL. Choose plan. GitHub offers free plans for individual users. Select the free plan and proceed. Verification. Verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your email inbox. Personalized profile. After verification, set up your profile by uploading a profile picture, adding a bio, and specifying your location. GitHub features. Familiarize yourself with GitHub's features like repositories, issues, and pull requests. Repository creation. To create a repository for your projects, click the plus icon on the top right corner of the GitHub's homepage and select New Repository. Repository setup. Provide a repository name, description, and choose privacy settings. Initial commit. Once your repository is created, you can upload code, files, or start a new project. Collaboration. Share your repository URL with collaborators to work on projects together. Contribution. Explore open source projects and start contributing by forking repositories and submitting pull requests. Security. Enable two-factor authentication for added account security. Explore. Navigate GitHub, discover repositories, and connect with developers around the world. Customization. Customize your profile's appearance and notification settings to suit your preferences.